cleanse this jar so that I may use it in my practice. I cleanse this jar so I may use it in my practice. I cleanse this jar so I may use it in my practice. So mote it be. Okay, so in this jar, first of all, I'm going to add my different things for protection and for what I want for the coming year. If I can open my jar. Oh no, I've got a cork wedged. No. Ugh. So first of all, I'm going to add some salt. This is some coarse sea salt. I use the broken cork actually for this. So I've got my coarse sea salt. Let's move that out of the way, which I've added. Salt's used for protection and to get rid of negativity and to cleanse. So I'm using that in my jar. Then I'm also going to add clove for luck and prosperity. I like to do 3 of everything. I'm going to add some sage for luck and prosperity and for cleansing. I'm going to add rosemary for cleansing, strength and protection. I'm going to add some bay leaf for, so for my wishes to come true, for getting rid of negativity and for protection as well. I'm just going to break that up so it fits in the jar. Like so. I'm going to take rose petal to make sure that there's love and positivity in my life. I need to attract more self-love. So that's why I'm putting the rose petals into my jar. I'm just going to give that a good old mix. Catch any ingredients that have spilt on my desk. I'm going to add some cornflowers for love and abundance. Obviously you could do this in a bigger jar, you don't have to do it in a teeny weeny jar. I like to do it in a teeny weeny jar because it's more convenient for me. And just pack that down. So that's what it looks like so far. Then I'm going to add a bit more salt on top. And I'm also going to add a touch of glitter. You don't need the glitter. I just think it looks pretty, and I like to make my jars look pretty. I like the sparkle of the glitter as it goes through the herbs. So I just add it just for aesthetics. It's not for any spiritual purpose. And basically what this is I'm setting my intentions for the year, for the coming year. I want 2020 to be more positive. I want 2020 to be, like, for me, I want to be more positive. I want to feel protected and secure in myself. I want to develop, improve my self-love, because I do have problems with actually self-love and liking myself sometimes, and I want to get rid of and banish any negativity, negative thoughts, and I want 2020 to be a much more positive year filled with self-love and prosperity and happiness. And this is to help me work on that in myself. And I'm going to carry this little jar around just to remind me that that's what I want. I want out of life is positivity, self-love, and good luck and prosperity, and not to let the negative stuff get me down, which is why I'm making this jar. I have my little piece of paper and I've wrote my intention on there as well, and I'm going to put that in the jar. And I like to get that, if I can, as far down into my jar as I can. And I'm going to top it off with a bit more rose petal. Like so. Then I'm going to add the cork. Now this cork's damaged, but I can shove this down and seal my jar a bit better with it. You'll see how in a minute. So I'm going to push that right down as far as it'll go. I want to make sure that these ingredients stay where I've put them. So that's why I've trimmed the cork a bit and pushed it down a little bit. And then I'm going to use some wax to seal it. So I've just got a white candle. I'm going to lean over my Zen garden I made. And I've lit my candle. And I'm going to put that there. And I'm just going to drip some candle wax on to seal the top. And I like it to drip down the sides as well. And I'm going to leave that on there to cool. And I'm going to leave that for the wax to set fully. So I'm just going to leave that for a few minutes and then come back and show you what it looks like. And now the wax is set, it's all sealed and looks like this. And some of obviously the wax will peel off the outside the jar, but that doesn't matter. I've got my little pentagram for protection as well. And I'm going to use this little jar just to remind myself that I don't want to let negativity will not spoil my life. I want to be more positive. I want to bring more self-love into my life. I want to feel protected and secure and safe and positive and happy. And that's what I'm going to use this little jar for. And also I think they look absolutely gorgeous and pretty.